Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today for another video tutorial. Today I have a super cute Christmas card to share with you. I am using the Merry Bold and Bright Suite out of our mini catalog. I love this one. We haven't had a really bright, fun, funky stamp set and paper in a while. So this one's great. Some of the features I love about this, number one, the font on the stamp set. I love how you can stamp in the block of colors and then cut it out and pop that up on your card. It's also got some other fun fonts here, and we have our Christmas lights. Now the paper is great, but there's also a lot of versatile designs that could be used for birthday or any occasion, not just Christmas. We also have both styles of light bulbs featured too, so it goes with the two different dies as well. Then we have this great foil paper. It's Melon Mambo and Granny Apple Green. Not necessarily Christmas colors, ones that you can use all year long. And then these great, not iridescent, yeah, they're iridescent adhesive back discs, which come in 5 different colors. There's a ton of these on here. They go with the paper, but they could go all year long. One of the best things about them, first of all, they're self-adhesive, so you don't have to use glue, and they're flat, so you don't have any bulk when mailing. Then it also has this great iridescent ribbon that goes with it as well. So we're going to make a little card that has a gift card holder in it. And with this stamp set, this is a stamp set, it has 2 different trees, but one of the best things about this is, let me get this out. These are good sized trees. And when you stamp this tree, it has dies, let me pull in this die set, that you can cut out the biggest tree, you can cut out a smaller tree, you can cut out even a smaller tree. And then we have, stamps that are dies that cut out all the different layers of the tree. So you can die cut all those, you can pop them up, you can layer them, or you can just make whatever size tree you want. So I think that is just fabulous. Then we have all kinds of dies. We have a big tag, we have a tree base, we have the garland I'll cut all the garland at one go. We're going to use that today. We've got stars, we have other kinds of stars, just a ton of different things that we can die cut with this bundle. Okay, we have little presents. I mean, so many cute things. I love it. Okay, let's get started. So I'm starting out with my card base of Lemon Lime Twist, and I have scored this at 1 1/4, 5 1/2, and 11. And what we're going to do is I'm folding this in. I've already got tape. I didn't realize I had tape on that already. I have double-sided tape, so I'm just folding that in, and that's going to make a pocket. Now, if you don't want a pocket, just glue it down or cut it off. It doesn't matter. But this way I can stick a little gift card in, or a little tea pouch, or some cash or a check right in there. And if you wanted to punch a notch out, you can, but you don't have to. Make it easy on yourself. Then we have our regular card base right here. So this is going to fold over. So very easy for the base of our card. All right, now I have cut a piece of this designer paper. It has trees on one side, and then this fun 1, 2, 3, it's got 5 different colors on the other in stripes. So I'm going to adhere this to this little section of our back that's showing through. Let me get this going here. And I'm just going to adhere this right in the center of our panel, just like that. Then for the inside, we have a piece of basic white, and I will post my measurements on my blog so you can look and see those. And you can stamp this with any of the sentiments that you want. I have all my ink still packed up for my retreat, so I don't have any of my ink. I pre-stamped everything because I knew I was not going to have time to get my ink out. Okay, So then I have a piece of basic white for the front as well. This is the same size. I think it's a 4x4. Yep, 4x4 panel. We're gonna glue this right, whoops. I moved that right at the last second when I went to stick it down. Okay, there we go. And then I have a piece of shaded spruce, and this is embossed with the, let me find it here. Look in my index. It is called the Christmas Tidings 3D embossing folder, and it's just full of little Christmas sentiments and images. It's got holly, ornaments, Christmas trees, all kinds of fun stuff. So I've already embossed this, and we're going to just stick this onto the front. So I've got this little border of white to kind of help it pop out there. All right, now let's put our tree together. I have stamped this tree in Lemon Lime Twist, and then I've die cut it so that I've only got the top 4 tiers right there. And then I've die cut a little pink base from the pink foil. So we're going to just put a little liquid glue right there. And I don't have too much room. I've got to fit this on my front. So we're just going to have a little bit of that base, tree base poking out right there. Just a little bit. All right. Next, I have die cut the tinsel, or garland, I guess is what it is, garland, out of the Melon Mambo. I have to think what that's called again. And we're going to just glue this to our tree. So we're going to start out with our smallest little bit. You want to be careful not to use too much glue. I'm just putting a couple little dots right there. And we're going to do kind of a swag. I'm going to go a little zigzag down our tree, starting with the smallest. Then we have the next smallest, and this is going to go right down the other way. Okay, so what I do is just get a little bead of glue on my coming out and dab it in a few places. I'll make sure I start kind of where I'm leaving off, right there. Okay, let's grab our next size. You don't need to do all of them. Okay, this one's gonna come right about here. Cute, 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 cute. I think that's an extra. I might have cut a few extra just to finish up my supplies. All right, get that little bead of glue, put it in a few places. Not too much, a little dab will do you. What was that, Brillo cream, or back in the day? A little dab will do you. Not Brillo cream. I think that was for scrubbing. I don't know. It was some sort of a hair gel. If you guys remember, post it in the comments. I don't remember. Okay, it looks like we're gonna go just a hair over. Whoops, oh man, it came right off. Let's see if I can get it right back to where my glue was. Okay. If you have an extra piece, all you have to do is cut that off right there. Nobody knows. Nobody will ever know. Okay, so we are going to, and then I have a star. Let me glue my star right to the top of our tree. Just a tad of glue. So cute. And that's going to fit right on there. We're going to use some dimensionals. I am down to the last on this sheet, so we're just going to cut some of that up. The one drawback sometimes when I do that is that the backing comes off of this as well. There we go. Put one there, maybe one in the middle. I think that'll be enough. You know what? We're going to put a little sliver up by our star. Make sure our star is secure. Okay. There we go. I love fun, bright colored Christmas cards. Cute. All right, let's put up some of these discs on here. I am definitely ordering more of these because you can use these all year long, not just for Christmas. Okay, I'm just going to grab one of each color. So we've got, this is a red. Let's put one here. And then we have a blue. I might put that one up here. Then we have pink. I'm going to stick that one way at the bottom. And then we have a light pink. We'll put that one here. And then we have a green, Granny Apple Green. We'll put that one over there. Isn't that cute? And you can see, look how shiny it is. You can see a little bit in the light. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous and shiny that is. Okay, now let's throw a sentiment on because we got to have a sentiment. So I've already stamped To You and Yours, and this is in the stamp set. Got To You and Yours, love and joy. Hoping your home is filled with the spirit of this season. I'm going to put that one on the inside. And then this one, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, which is kind of in a triangle tree shape, which is super fun. But I'm going to put this on the front, and we are going to flag the front end of this. Let's try that. Just even that flag up just a hair. I like to flag my own banners because I like to live dangerously. As you know, we do have a punch that does that, but for some reason I'm just not coordinated enough. So I like to go quick. Okay. I'm going to pop this up so I've got my straight edge lined up with the edge of my green, and then I've used Shaded Spruce. That's the color I used here for my sentiment. And that is it. Isn't that sweet? So fun and shiny. I love this suite. This is very versatile, very bright and colorful, great for Christmas cards, great for birthday, great for all year. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. Make sure to click subscribe. Oh, I forgot to say, and I forgot the last two videos. We're starting our 12 weeks of Christmas projects on my email list. So you can only get these projects or view the projects if you subscribe to my email list. So I have a link below. So all you have to do is click on there and subscribe, and then you'll get every week the 12 weeks of Christmas projects. So you don't want to miss out on that. I keep forgetting to post about it. I've already started. I don't know. I'm just a little overwhelmed at the moment with things going on. So I apologize if I've forgotten to do that. But please click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and subscribe to my email list so that you get those future 12 weeks of Christmas projects coming up. All right, thanks everyone, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Bye-bye.